and welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. We got a 2020 Honda Pilot we're in. Real quick to show you how to reset the oil life on this. I had a couple people ask me. It's not going to be in your dashboard on your steering wheel. It's going to be right here, just like that Honda Accord I did earlier today. But your oil, tire life, the whole 9 yards is going to be right here. So if you at home, you hit that home button there, click into your settings, tap that vehicle, just scroll down till you see maintenance information and click that, engine oil, hit your reset, confirm, and we're good. We're back to 100%. Tire rotation is the same thing. We can't reset that at the moment, but there we go. We got everything right there. As you can see, you got the option to hit the reset all. Hope it was helpful. Y'all be safe, be blessed, and remember to like, sub, all that good stuff. We're real close to that thousands. Let's see if we can do it. Y'all be blessed.